In this video, I'll guide you through how to lock dates in Xero so you can protect your finalized accounting periods and avoid accidental changes to your books. Locking dates is a really useful feature, especially around month end or year end when your reports are finalized and you don't want anyone to accidentally post new transactions or edit existing ones in those closed periods. I'll walk you through where to find the setting in Xero, how to choose the right date, and what to keep in mind before you hit save. First, open your web browser and go to Xero's website by typing xero.com into the address bar. Sign into your Xero account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if you have access to more than one, because the lock date you set will apply only to the organization you're currently viewing. Once you're in your organization's Xero dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Today, I'll show you how to get to the lock dates from there using the accounting menu. Find and click on the option labeled Accounting. This is where Xero keeps most of the core financial tools and setup options. After you click Accounting, a drop-down or sub-menu will appear. From this list, choose Accounting Settings. This area controls the underlying rules and defaults for your organization's accounts, including things like your financial year, tax settings, and, importantly for us, the lock dates. When the Accounting Settings page opens, look for a section or tab called Financial Settings. I'll show you the easiest way to get to the lock dates. Simply click on Financial Settings to open that section. If you don't see it right away, scroll down a bit as it may appear lower on the page depending on your screen size. Inside the Financial Settings area, you'll see different options related to your organization's financial controls. One of these will be lock dates. This is where you tell Xero not to allow changes on or before a specific date. I'm going to walk you through how to choose that date. Click into the lock date field. You can usually either type a date in the format Xero uses or select it from a date picker that appears. Choose the date up to which you want your transactions to be locked. For example, if you finalized everything up to the end of March, you might select March 31st. Any date on or before that will be protected from changes once the lock is applied. Before you set this, double check that all your reconciliations, adjustments, and reports for that period are complete, because once the date is locked, only users with the right permissions will be able to unlock it and make further edits. This helps prevent accidental changes that could throw off your reports. When you're happy with the date you've chosen, scroll down if needed and click the Save button. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your lock date won't be applied. After you click Save, Xero will store your new lock date and start enforcing it for that organization. That's all you need to do. You've now successfully locked dates in Xero, helping keep your historical financial data accurate and secure.